Hi viewers, welcome back to Ready Power. In this video, I am talking about 5 weight loss tips for beginner. So let's start the video. Step number 1: Eat in order. Drink a small glass of water before your meal to completely eliminate hunger. Start your meal with a bowl of vegetable soup to partly fill up your stomach. Consume protein dishes afterward and then conclude your meal with a smaller protein of carbohydrates. This eating order helps you to better control your calories intake. Step number 2: Increase your vegetables and protein intake for each meal. Eating too much vegetable and protein food source may lead to an imbalanced meal. Consuming these nutrition groups also keep you full for a longer time, which can prevent quick hunger and cravings, some of things that make it hard to lose weight. Step number 3: Replace refined with whole grains carbohydrate. Chew truly and extend your meal time to at least 25 minutes. Starch is one of the essential macronutrients that need to be consumed daily, accounting for 30% to 60% of vital energy. Therefore, replacing refined starch with whole grains is a top priority in a journey toward a healthy diet. The simple way is to substitute white rice with brown rice or other options like quinoa, oats, barley, or incorporate various legumes while cooking for diversity and to avoid monotony. Step number 4: Exercise before consuming less healthy dishes. If you plan to eat dishes that are not high in oil or fried, it is a good idea to engage in at least 30 minutes of exercise before your meal. Oil are high in fat content, making it easy for the body to store excess energy and not create the calorie deficit needed for weight loss. Step number 5: Use healthier seasoning in your meal. You should limit the use of industrial seasoning as well as highly processed ingredients like bouillon cubes, MCG, refined salt, and refined sugar. Instead, it is more beneficial to use natural flavoring like dried shrimp, bone broth, boiled meat broth, turnip, carrot, sweet and healthy seasons such as herb and vegetable sauces. This may be challenging because your taste buds have become accustomed to industrial season, but it is crucial for gut health and overall well-being. Dr. Peng Tai Tan, Fitness Center Home Fitness Nutrition Coach.